welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellie. Today we are going to be continuing with my Farmhouse Kitchen Traveler's Notebook series. We are almost at the end. We're almost there in completing both of these planners. Today we are going to work on the ribbon page markers. We're going to add sticky notes to some of our page markers. We're going to add in our notebooks and some cute little folders that I found in my stash that I think are going to fit perfectly. I think the last thing is I'm going to finish it off with my tassels, but I think I'm going to do those on my own time. And then the final video that you guys see will definitely be the end and the flip through of both of my planners. So, and any final little accessories and stickers and things that I add to it. But let's go ahead and get started. This is a craft with me. So if you guys want to craft along with whatever projects you're working on, and let's go ahead and craft together. there we have it, you guys. So both of these planners are just about ready. I love how the pom-poms look all the time. Just the alternating of the colors. It looks so good. The covers are absolutely beautiful. This is what the binding looks like, and then this is what the top of the planners look like. So once they have fun little paper clips, the tassel, the pen loop holder, they're gonna look really, really nice. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's last process of the video. The last video will be the final flip through with accessories and everything. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!